Is your home needing an update with new siding this summer? Does your siding look like this? Is it rotting, cracking, or swelling? These are all signs it's time to replace that old siding with new, high-quality siding with Allstate's Home Improvement. Our high-quality fiber cement siding is virtually maintenance-free. It won't warp, rot, or peel. It's extremely durable while offering the beauty of many styles and textures to fit your home. Our professional installers use the highest quality materials, work efficiently, and focus only on your job until completion. Allstate's Home Improvement is highly rated with over 1,000 Google reviews and over 30,000 happy local customers. You can rely on us for your home project. Call us for a free no-obligation consultation.
Don't wait! Take advantage of our summer offer. 25% off materials and no payments and no interest for 12 months.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.